This black Microsoft Surface Pro X laptop is ultra-thin and lightweight, weighing only 776 grams, making it ideal for people on the go. Surface Pro X adapts to you, transforming from laptop to tablet to portable studio. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready for use. The laptop comes with Microsoft SQ1 processor powered by Qualcomm to ensure seamless multitasking. It features an 8GB LPDDR4X RAM with Microsoft SQ1 Adreno 685 GPU graphics that allows you to browse and work efficiently. Surface Pro X has 128GB SSD that provides high responsiveness and faster boot up while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. The laptop comes with a battery life of up to 13 hours. This Surface Pro X comes with a 13-inch PixelSense display with ultra-thin bezels, offering an immersive viewing experience for watching movies and videos. With the built-in kickstand, this laptop is designed to go from laptop to tablet to portable studio mode, giving you complete flexibility. The laptop comes with two USB ports, one Surface Connect port and one nano SIM holder for easy connectivity. The laptop comes with power supply, quick start guide and safety and warranty documents included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.